Yay! Thank you! Ayan, lagay
Ay, lagay na ba daw?
Oo.
Which one here?
Hindi.
For those whose parents or guests are not here, we will be willing to affix the pins on the oath takers dito sa may
Congratulations.
I, Gats Buwain
of your address,
of Irisan, Baguio City,
hereby solemnly swear
hereby solemnly swear
that I will support
that I will support
and defend
and defend
the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines,
the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same,
and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees
and decrees
promulgated
promulgated
by the duly constituted authorities
by the duly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
I further solemnly swear
I further solemnly swear
that at all times and places
that all times and places
I will adhere closely
I will adhere closely
to the ethical
to the ethical
and the professional rules
and the professional
of
rules
psychometricians in the
of
Philippines,
psychometricians in the Philippines,
and that I will faithfully discharge
and that I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties and obligations
the duties and obligations
incumbent upon
incumbent upon
a legally authorized registered psychometrician.
a legally authorized registered psychometrician.
So help me God.
So
So help me God.
Congratulations.